How to create FaceTime link to share. Start by opening the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Right at the top, you'll see a button that says Create Link. Tap it. After tapping, a menu pops up with sharing options. You can send the link via messages, mail, WhatsApp, or any app you prefer, or simply copy it to paste somewhere. This link lets anyone with browser, even on Android or PC, join the call. They don't need an Apple ID, just a name and browser. The great thing is, this link doesn't expire immediately. You can use it later or tap it your FaceTime app under Upcoming when you're ready to start the call. Once people click the link and request to join, you'll get a notification to admit them. Tap the link in the app, then press Join to enter the call yourself. And that's it!